In this video, I am going to show you how to use Temu coupon bundle. So this should be a quick and easy process. First, claiming a bundle. To use a Temu coupon bundle, you first need to claim it. Bundles are often promoted on the Temu homepage, in the app, or through email notifications. Simply click on the bundle to add it to your account. Reviewing the coupons. Once claimed, you can view the individual coupons within the bundle in your Temu account's coupon section. Each coupon will have its own terms, such as eligible products, minimum spend requirements, and expiration date. Add an item to your cart. Shop as normally you would, adding items that are eligible for the coupons. Then applying coupons at the checkout. During checkout, Temu will automatically apply the best available coupons from your bundle to maximize your savings. In some cases, you might need to select which coupons to use, and after that, you can enjoy the savings. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.